This is the SSB 2023 question number 90, and this question is from the complex analysis. Okay, this question is from the complex analysis and the question is from the complex integration. Okay, the given question is integration of mod z equals to 1 z square e to the power 1 by z sin 1 by z equals to how much? And option A says the 0, B 2 pi I by 5 and C 2 pi I by 3 and option D given pi I by 2. We have to find the complex integration. We can solve this complex integration by using residue theorem. So first we recall what is the residue theorem. So first we recall the residue theorem. Residue theorem states that if A is the singular point, then in mod z equals to C, then integration of mod z equals to C f of z dz is if A is a singular point in mod z of equals to C of f of z. Okay, then integration of mod z equals to C f of z dz equals to how much? This is 2 pi I into residue of f of z at z equals to A. Here z equals to 0 is singular point in mod z equals to 1. Here z equals to 0 is our singular point. First we have to find the exponents. This is the series form of e to the power 1 by z and Taylor series form of sin 1 by z. We have to write what is e of z. E to the power 1 by z can be written as 1 plus 1 by z plus 1 by z square into 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by z cube into 1 by 3 factorial and plus dotted so on. Similarly, sin of 1 by z can be written as 1 by z minus 1 by 3 factorial into 1 by z cube and plus dotted so on. Okay. Now we have to find residue of f of z at z equals to A. What is A? A equals to 0. So residue of f of z at z equals to 0 is coefficient of 1 by z in expansion of f of z. So the coefficient of 1 by z in z square e to the power z sin 1 by z equals to how much? We have to find this one. The coefficient of 1 by z, coefficient of 1 by z in z square e to the power 1 by z into sin 1 by z. How we can find? When we find the coefficient of 1 by z cube from these two multiplication. Okay, e to the power z sin 1 by z when multiply, then we can get the coefficient of 1 by z cube. Then when we multiply with z square, then we can easily find coefficient of 1 by z. So what is this one? When 1 by z square is multiplied with this term, that means when third term of e to the power 1 by z multiply with first term of sin of 1 by z, we get the coefficient of 1 by z cube. Similarly, second term of sin of 1 by z is multiplied with first term with e to the power 1 by z, then we get coefficient of 1 by z cube. When we get the coefficient of 1 by z cube, that multiply with z square, we can get the coefficient of 1 by z. So that is how much? That is 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial. 1 by 2 factorial equals to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 factorial equals to 1 by 6. And this one equals to how much? This one 2 by 6. So 1 by 3. So according to our formula, this one, what is our integration value? Our integration value is 1 by 1 upon 3 into 2 pi. This is 2 pi into residue of f of z at z equals to a. This is coefficient of 1 by z. This is equals residue of f of z. This one equals to residue of f of z. Residue of f of z equals to how much? 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 into 2 pi I equals to how much? 2 pi I divided by 3. So according to our question, option C is correct.